Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create velocity check in Alight Motion apps. So tap on an icon in the button center, so select project and just tap on create project. But I already have a project and I'm going to select that project here. So tap on new clip and select a file. It's waiting, so just tap on add a file, select auto check, so you can see, but I'm going to disable for design, it is copyrighted. So check has been added, and how to velocity, just tap on the clip, select the speed icon here, and you can swipe to the left for the slower and swipe to the right for the faster. And I'm going to split the clip before, so just split the clip as you like here, and I'm going to adjust for the first one to normal speed. For the second one I'm going to adjust for the slower, and last one I'm going to adjust for the 2.0 and adjust for the position like so. And here we go. Yeah, it's so basically, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.